Good morning to one another. In this video, I am going to discuss with you advanced questions. Okay. In that first question, we have for 21st question. If 3x plus 20 degrees, comma 9y plus 30 degrees, and 3z plus 40 degrees form a complete angle, then the relationship is not belongs to the between x comma y comma z is. Okay. See first, so these three angles can form a complete angle. Complete angle measures how many degrees? 360 degrees. So right, so sum of these three angles, 3x plus 20 degrees plus 9y plus 30 degrees plus 3z plus 40 degrees equal to 360 degrees. Yes, so first variable terms together, right? Alphabets write together. 6x plus 9y plus 3z plus, you can add these remaining numbers, 20 plus 30 50, 50 plus 40 90, 90 degrees equal to 360 degrees. So 90 you can transpose right side, so 6x plus 9y plus 3z equal to 360 degrees minus 90 degrees. So here in the left hand side, in this we can, here 6 we have, 9 we have, 3. So these three multiples. So we can take 3 common. So 3, if you take 3 common, so 3 into which number you will get? 6x. 3 into 2x. 3 2s are 6, 6x. And 3 3s are 9y. So 3 1s are 1z, you can write as z. 3 into z, 3z. Equal to 360 minus 90, how much? 270 degrees. These 3 you can send right side. So it becomes 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 270 degrees by 3. 3 ones are 390 degrees. So 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Next question number, which is the correct option for that? Okay. The relationship is not belongs to the between x comma y comma z is. So here, which is the correct option? We have, do we get 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 90 degrees. So not belongs to. So the relation is which not belongs to. So remaining 3 options are correct options, which is not a correct relation. Okay. So second option is, we have correct option, but he said not belongs to. So first option, third option, fourth option will come. Next question number 22nd. A line has dash, a line has 2 endpoints. As second option, no endpoints. Third option, extends in the both directions infinitely. Fourth option, has only one endpoint. So line has no endpoints and in the both direction it will go endlessly. So it has no endpoints and both directions it will go endlessly. So option 2 and option 3 are the correct option for that question number 22. Okay. Next question number 23. If PQ are collinear points and Q lies between P and R. So this is P, you can consider R, and Q is lies between them. Okay. So from that, then the which of the following is true? First option, PR plus RQ equal to PQ. Second option, first option. Okay. Now we need to check the which of the following options are correct. See, PR plus RQ equal to PQ they are saying. So it is wrong answer. PR plus QR, which is not equal to PQ. And second option, PQ plus QR. PQ plus QR equal to PR. Yes, second option is correct. Next, PR minus RQ. PR minus RQ equal to PQ. Yes, it is also correct. Total distance minus QR distance, then you will get PQ. Yes, so this third option also correct. PQ minus QR, that option 4 is wrong option. So option 2 and option 3 are the correct options for this. Okay, now I am going to discuss with you 24th question. In the question they given to us in the figure, L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M and N is a transversal line. So this line is a transversal line. Here N is transversal line. Then which of the following are true? Okay. They given angle 1 equal to angle 5. see angle 1 and angle 5 are, we know that is corresponding angles. So if the two lines are parallel, then all the corresponding angles are equal. So angle 1 equal to angle 5. So this is true. Next, angle 3 equal to angle 5. So angle 3 equal to angle 5 they are given. So which type of these two angles? These two angles are alternate interior angles. These two are alternate interior angles. If the two lines are parallel, all the interior angles also equal. So this is also true. Next, angle 5 equal to angle 7. So your angle 5 and angle 7 are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. So this is also option 3 also correct option. Next, option number 4, angle 2 equal to angle 6. So these two are corresponding angles. So L is parallel to M. Then all corresponding angles also equal. So here in the given question, how many correct options we have? All are the correct options only. Okay, one is correct option. Second one is also correct option. Third one also correct option. Fourth one is also correct option. Next question. Question number 25. In the adjacent figure, AB and CD intersect at O, and if angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degrees. This angle plus this angle equal to 70 degrees, and angle BOD equal to 40 degrees they given. So we need to find then which of the following are true they said. So option 1 they given to us. Okay, they given to us angle BOD equal to 40 degrees. So from the figure we can write angle BOD equal to angle AOC, because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Yes, I am writing angle AOC equal to angle BOD because vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are always equal. So this is 40. Okay, so they given to us angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degrees. Angle AOC how much we have? 40. So 40 degrees plus BOE, angle BOE equal to 70 degrees. Then angle BOE equal to 70 minus 40, which is equal to 30 degrees. Angle BOE how much? 30 degrees. Okay, so from the figure we know that the sum of these three angles equal to 180 degrees. So if it is 40, this is 70. 40 plus 30, 70. This is 30 they given. So 40. The sum of these three angles equal to 180 degrees. So this is 40, this is 30. So 40 plus 30, 70. So remaining angle should be 110. Then only the sum of these three angles equal to 180 degrees. So angle COE how much? 110 degrees. Next, from the diagram we can say angle AOD plus angle BOD equal to 180 degrees, because these two angles measures straight angle. Suppose BOD is 40, then DOA equal to 140 degrees. Yes, 40 plus 140, 180 degrees. So which of the following correct options? Let us check. BOE equal to 30 degrees. BOE equal to 30 degrees. Yes, correct. And AOC equal to 40 degrees. Yes, correct. And COE equal to 110 degrees. Yes, correct. The reflex of COE is COE. So here this is a COE angle. The reflex angle means this total remaining angles. These all four angles equal to reflex of COE. So if it is 120, the total angle is 360 degrees. 360 minus 110, 250. So this is also correct. So all options are correct options only for 25th question. Next question, statement type questions. A line contains infinitely many points. Statement 1 the given, that is a line contains infinitely many points. Yes, it is statement 1 is true. And statement 2, through a given point an infinite number of lines can be drawn. Suppose the given one point, from this point we can write infinitely number of lines. Says statement 2 also correct. So both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. So option 1 is the correct option for that. Next, 27th question, they given to us in the adjacent angles are always equal. So statement 1, reason, assertion they given. So adjacent angles are need not to be the equal. Okay, so that is statement. Assertion is false. Assertion is wrong. Assertion is wrong. Next, reason. 3 or more straight lines if the passing through the, so these 3 or more lines passing to the same point, then these all lines we can call concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. So through this point we can draw many lines now. That all lines we can call concurrent lines. So your reason is correct. Okay, but assertion is wrong. Which is the correct option for that? Option 4. Option 4 is the correct option. Assertion false, reason is true. And the question number 28. So here in the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. If these two lines are parallel, so here this y plus this, here t is equal to 120 degrees. From the figure, t equal to 120 degrees because vertically opposite angles. T equal to 120 degrees because vertically opposite angles. Okay, so T we got. Next, if it is T, AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD, then Y is equal to T we can say now. Y is equal to T because these two are alternate interior angles. T equal to Y because alternate interior angles. So then Y is equal to also 120 degrees. Y is equal to how many degrees? 120 degrees. So now here we got 120 degrees. Okay. Next, see from the figure. So if it is AB is parallel to CD, and if this is a transversal, this angle equal, this Z is equal to this angle is this. If it is Z, this becomes also Z because these two are corresponding angles. Okay. From the figure, we can say this is a straight angle. Yes, these two. Sum of these two angles equal to 180 degrees. So Z plus 50 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Then Z is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. Then Z is equal to, we can say, 130 degrees. Z is equal to how many degrees? 130 degrees. So then we got, if it is Z, if it is 130, this becomes also 130 degrees. So sum of these two angles is equal to 180. X plus 130 equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees because these two are straight, these two measures straight angle. So now X is equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees, which is equal to 50 degrees. Now we got X value and Z value and T value and Y value we got. Okay. So now X is equal to how much? 50 degrees and X plus T. X is 50 degrees, T is 120 degrees. So 50 plus 120, 170 degrees. And Z is how much? Z we got 120 degrees. Y we got, sorry, Z we got 130 degrees. Y we got 120 degrees. So 130 minus 120, 10 degrees. Okay. So this is about 28th question. Next question I am going to discuss with you. Now I am going to discuss with you 29th question. The sum of the adjacent angles in a linear pair is, the sum of the adjacent angles in a linear pair. So that is one sum of the linear pair angles equal to 180 degrees. So question number 30. If 80% of x is supplement of 140. 80% of x equal to supplement of 140. 80% of x we can write as 80 by 100 into x. 80% we can write as 80 by 100. Okay, half means into x equal to supplement of 140. What is the supplement of 140? 40 degrees. So 80% of x equal to 40. So 80 by 100 into x equal to 40. Then x is equal to 40 into this 80 by 100 is on right side. It becomes reciprocal. So 100 by 80 will come. So 40 ones are 40 twos are 2 ones are 250s are. So x is equal to how many degrees? 50 degrees. Okay. So in this video I discussed with you advanced questions. So till now we finished concept 1, lines and angles, concept 1 fully finished. Okay. Watch the videos children and share these videos to your friends. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.